everyone. Today's topic is Global Methane Initiative. This was initiated in 2004, thus completing 20 years. It's important for prelims 2025. Now, Global Methane Initiative is a voluntary international partnership, and many countries, including India, are its members. Along with the government, private sector, development bank, non-governmental organizations, etc. join this initiative. This forum works towards reducing the anthropogenic methane emissions between developed and developing economies coming together. It also concentrates on three main pillars of methane emitting sectors like the coal, petroleum, and also biogas. Methane is the biggest concern because it's a harmful greenhouse gas rather than carbon dioxide. Do let me know in the comment section which has a greater atmospheric lifetime, whether methane or carbon. There are three initiatives with regards to methane which we would discuss. Global Methane Pledge, in which India did not pledge this. This was launched in COP26 by European Union as well as United States. The objective is to reduce the global methane emissions at least by 30% from the 2020 levels by 2030. The secretariat of this is Climate and Clean Air Coalition. Second initiative, Methane Alert and Response System. This uses satellite data for monitoring and tracking the methane emissions. This was launched in COP27 by UNEP's International Methane Emissions Observatory. It is the first ever global system which utilizes the satellite data to monitor the major events. Third is Lowering Organic Waste Methane Initiative. This was launched in COP28. The target is to deliver at least 1 million metric tons of annual waste sector methane reductions well before 2030. And there is also a monetary backing of $10 billion in public and private investment. Thank you.